Can you believe we are in the last month of 2023? Home buyers and sellers, are you curious to know the latest stats on the national housing market? Let's take a look at the numbers. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. According to Redfin, as of today's data, new listings of homes for sale rose 0.3% in the fall. A small increase, but we will take it as low inventory continues to cripple the market. This is the first bump in listings we have seen since the summer of 2022. What does this mean? More homeowners are putting their homes on the market despite higher mortgage rates. By looking at the overall picture, that high rates may be here for a while, or the lower buyer demand may decrease home prices. Serious buyers are welcoming the small bump in listings with more inventory to choose from. The average national sales price is currently at $412,000, up with 2.2%. The national average 30 years fixed mortgage rate is 7.6%, and the average days on the market for a home to go pending is currently at 33 days. Across the country, the number of homes for sale is down 17% from last year, and we are currently at 2.5 months supply, meaning we are still in the seller market. Of course, real estate is very volatile and always changing. If you'd like to learn what's happening locally in your area, it is always important to reach out to your local real estate expert to give you the most up-to-date number. Feel free to connect with me. Daniela Duta here